got our first sponsor. Oh, nice. So we haven't waxed the car yet, and we got the stuff from Shine Armor. It's a 3-in-1 waterless wash, shine and... Anyway, we got the stuff from Shine Armor, and it's ceramic infused. Well, it says the ultimate ceramic coating formula. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna try it and see how it does. So I really do like black cars. I don't care what people say.
Why would anyone have anything against a black car?
I don't know. I don't care what they fucking say. I like black cars. I don't know if you guys saw, but here are pictures of the 2020 Type R. They finally released it at the Tokyo Motor Show or Tokyo Auto Salon or something like that. I think Honda Pro Jason was one of the first people to make a post about it, but it's looking really good. I mean, it has the same changes to the front and the rear bumpers as the hatchback did, the sport hatchback. So I also really like that new blue color. It's called Boost Blue, which you can see right here. I think it looks really nice. I think I'm gonna get it. I think we're gonna get the Type R.
What?
What the fuck is this thing? I don't know what this is.
Oh, that's...
Is that drying?
That's nice. I think so. Ooh, that's real nice.
Oh, thank you very much. It comes in this little purple bottle, and also this thing here. Is that how you do it?
So this would go in this cabinet.
Nice. Babe, put it in.
That's what she said.
So step one is to spray a little bit of the wax onto a damp cloth and also a small area of the car that you are trying to wax. The second step is to immediately switch to a dry towel, a dry microfiber towel, and then take it all off. So we tried it already and it feels really good. Like you can absolutely feel the difference to where it's on and where it's not on. But let's go ahead and do the spoiler right now. Are we gonna get the Type R, babe?
You're gonna get the Type R, I'm gonna get a Jeep.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that sounds nice. You can hear it taking in there. And be careful, there are kids on the side of the road.
Okay, I won't run them over. Fine.
They look so happy eating their Wendy's. I wish we could have gotten pizza. But no, it's dinner food.
I can't have pizza in the middle of the day because then I feel like a slug for the rest of the day.
I'm sorry, that's just bullshit.
It's not bullshit.
Yeah, but none of this is relevant to the content you want to put on your video.
You're getting warmed up. Feel where the wax is not, right here. And you go like this.
Oh.
You feel that difference?
Oh
Go like this. Go like this.
That's like
Go like this. On top. Top's better. Isn't that crazy?
Oh, no cell phones. They didn't say anything about GoPros. Bitch.
So, I think the problem with the Boost Blue is that dealerships are going to think that they can mark that up ridiculously. So we probably won't be able to get a blue one. Black would look really nice, especially with all the red accents that the Type R comes with, which we would fix some of those if we got it. I don't want that red stripe on the bottom of the car, and I also don't want... I can't remember if the rims still have that red stripe around them for 2020. We didn't really get a good look at, you know, the whole car. It didn't really show us any interior images either, so we only have these 3 or 4 pictures that Honda gave us, so we should have more soon. Honda said that they're going to release it later this year, which I don't really know what that means. It could be April, it could be June, it could be August. I don't know. I don't know why they're taking so long with it. I mean, they've had 3 years to make adjustments to it. So, I don't know. I really like that new Boost Blue color. I think it looks really good. I would take it in red or black as well. I'm not too crazy about the other colors. I really don't even care for the color of this car. I think it's called Modern Steel Metallic, and to me it's just gray. I'm just not really a fan of it, but black would look really good in the Type R. Yeah, so it all depends on when that car hits the dealerships, and also it depends on where I can find one at MSRP, or less, but I don't think anyone has ever gotten a Type R for less than MSRP. So I'm in Sacramento, and I don't really think dealerships around here have been selling those at MSRP. I think they all have some sort of markup. We might have to take a road trip to go buy a Type R, which I already told you, but now I'm saying it again on camera, so they know.
It's official.
Yeah, that car would definitely be a keeper. So this car is not a keeper. I mean, I like this for now. It's nice. You know, there's lots of content I can produce with this car, but it's not something that I want to keep. It's not something I want to own for a long period of time. The Type R with the K20 turbo engine, I mean, the K20, you guys all know about that if you're watching this. You're probably a Honda fan. The K20 is a phenomenal engine. The K24 as well, which I had in my 9th gen. But especially the K20, I mean, that's been around forever. The RSX had that, the 06 to 2011 Civic SIs, and you know, they revised it and put a turbo on it, so that must be a super reliable engine. These 1.5s, not so much. You guys all know about the oil dilution problems that these have, so I don't know. That'd be a huge decision, and honestly it depends on if I keep doing this well on YouTube or not. If I do, then I'll definitely get the Type R. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. You guys think I should get the Type R, the 2020 Type R? And if you do, what color would you like to see? Because I'm not entirely sure yet. What do you think for color, babe?
I already told you I like the black one.
You don't like the blue?
I think the blue is cool. I just don't see you personally driving a blue car. I don't really think that's your style.
Okay. That makes sense. That's so crazy how good it feels. It's so smooth. That's definitely the best wax I've ever used on a car. Okay, so as you can see, we did the whole car. It looks really good and it feels really good. You can definitely feel how smooth it is. It looks like wet. It's good.
I'm not doing.
What do you think of the wax?
It's nice.
You like it?
Very soft.
Alright guys, it works really well and it's ceramic infused, so it should hold up for a longer period of time than traditional wax, you know? That's all I have to say.
Okay, it's recording. That is so funny. Oh my god, look at all the cops over there.
Where?
Over there. Look at, there's like 5 of them.
Holy sh!